Back now to our weather alert with a live look outside. You can see those low-lying clouds. Some rain for some people for the ride home tonight.
Chief Meteorologist Albert Ramon is back, timing out what to expect for the rest of the night. Albert?
Yeah, so periods of rain and storms in the forecast throughout the evening and lingering showers expected even as we head into the overnight. We're dry right now in Chicago. That looks to change, though, as the evening goes on. Now through 9 o'clock, that's a window for some heavier thunderstorms that could come in with some flooding rains, at least over parts of the area. Beyond that, we'll have lingering showers through tomorrow morning, and a lot of moisture in the atmosphere means fog develops. So a little bit of rain to deal with the morning commute for tomorrow, along with some areas of fog that could be dense. There's an even more active weather pattern that has caught our attention. Saturday night into Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and even a week from today, a period of waves of rain and storms in the forecast with a heightened flood and also severe weather risk. So it's a busy weather pattern as we head into the second half of the weekend. Let's focus in on what we have on top of us right now, and it's a slow-moving frontal boundary that will actually stall out on top of the area. It's producing some light to moderate showers, increasing in LaSalle County, but the bulk of the heavy stuff is focused in northwest Indiana, right along I-80, I-94 between Gary, Lake Station, and Westchester. Could have some winds here 40 to 45 miles per hour, thunder, lightning, and also downpours, and also some heavy downpours moving across I-65 right now in southern sections of Lake County. If you're watching from northern sections of Newton and even Jasper County, we have some rain head your direction as well. A couple of pop-up showers developing right now in the northwestern corner of Lake County around Fox Lake and Lake Villa and Antioch. Could be some small hail with this one as it moves over I-94 near the Wisconsin state line over the next 20 minutes. So now through mid-evening, we'll keep that chance of scattered showers and storms. A little bit of a lull as we head towards late evening, and then the boundary will be stuck right on top of us tomorrow morning. So early risers, scattered showers and storms to start the day, and less coverage of rain as we go through sunrise and beyond. Still some lingering showers tomorrow afternoon, but it's not a washout. Another day with below average temperatures in the 70s. So now through tomorrow, an additional ½ inch, maybe even 6/10 of an inch, it's going to be possible with these scattered showers and storms that will continue. In the overnight, it's rain along with some patchy areas of fog, 67 degrees for the low temperature. And for tomorrow, not a washout. We'll have fog in the morning, some scattered rain storms as we head into the afternoon, 78 degrees for the high temperature. Temperatures will be in the 80s and mildest in the southwest suburbs, but coolest right along the immediate lakeshore, about 77 degrees at the Loop. Beaches at 76 with water temperature at 72. Watch out for some rumbles of thunder, though, if you're headed to the beach. Swim risk remains low, and with the extra cloud cover around, UV index down in the moderate category. So here's a check of the extended forecast. Do have a busy night ahead, and then a little bit of a break as we head towards really late tomorrow, Friday, and even Saturday. And then it's Saturday night into Sunday that we'll watch out for a chance of heavy rainfall, maybe even some severe storms with daytime heating on Sunday afternoon. Looking at a 60% chance of heavy rainfall on Monday, and this active weather pattern continues Tuesday and even to Wednesday of next week. Eric and Joe, this has been the case all summer long. We got a few days break, and then we get back into action with showers and storms in the forecast all summer long.
Yeah. Right. Thanks, Albert. Okay.